The graduates were 57 in number. They were awarded with diplomas in piloting, aircraft maintenance engineering, as well as flight operations. The director of the aviation school, Lieutenant Colonel Ronald Turiamubona, said it's the second formal graduation ceremony to be held in the institution 52 years later.
It is need for the academy to be managed as a training institution outside the traditional civil service to conform to the International Civil Aviation Organization requirements. Difficulty in attracting and retaining the competent and professional workforce. Whereas the salaries of these pilots and engineers were enhanced following His Excellency the President's directive, the enhanced pay is still far below the market rate for the aviation professionals.
It has already been mentioned, we are graduating pilots, flight operations, and engineers. May I take this opportunity to congratulate you, the graduates, on this milestone.
Such a milestone was just enough to receive a plus from the Minister for Works and Transport, General Katumba Wamala. Katumba reveals plans by government to develop and make Soroti Civil Aviation School Ugandan-owned. He also called on leaders in Soroti to advocate for the return of grabbed property belonging to the East African Aviation School. Meanwhile, graduates were overwhelmed by joy, being the second batch of graduates since 1977.
It takes patience to mold a pilot, an engineer, a flight operator out of an ordinary person. We are very grateful and proud of you, our instructors. You make us Ugandans who are professionals.
It's a blessing from God, and I thank God for this opportunity to be a pilot, professional pilot, and an instructor. I think the field is waiting for us.
Some of the great achievements we want to celebrate, and it's been a long journey, but we want to thank God that we are done, and thank you very much.
The graduating group joined the school in 2019. Henry Okrut, UBC.